Good day, everybody. Today we're checking out weather stripping. I'm going to show you how to reattach a loose weather stripping and glue up some rips like this in case you so desire to do so. So what you've got is this metal tongue here, and then you've got this slot right there in the middle. Yeah, I know it looks like there's a few slots, but there's one main slot there. And there's metal staples in there. So you're gonna go through wherever it's loose and not grabbing tight and squeeze those metal staples shut. And work your way down, pinching that gap shut. Pinch it all the way tight. It's the only thing hanging on to that little metal tongue that's sticking out. And when you've got an edge that's still on there, it's super easy just to shove it back on. You don't have to restart it or anything. Right here you can see it's binding against the plastic, so I had to wiggle it a little bit to get it underneath. Or you can alternatively, pull up on this thing real hard and it will yank loose. With one hand, I'm not going to attempt it right now. So go ahead, wiggle it back in. If it's still loose, you can add a little bit of adhesive, such as butyl tape. It's kind of like a tar material. Put a little bit of that on there. It's definitely going to help grab onto it. But this is tight enough. It's not going to come out again unless something's drug across it or what have you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry this up again. I got water all over it, so we can glue that shut. All right, I've got that dried off. Now I've got two different adhesives here. One's black weather strip adhesive. Another one is black super weather strip and gasket adhesive. Somewhat similar. This one's a little more rubbery. The black weather strip adhesive. And it's a little thicker, a little more rubbery. This one is faster drying. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. It dries fast enough, and as you will see, it starts coming out nice and rubbery right there off the get-go. All right, so I've got a little bit on either side of there. I'll go ahead and put it into place. All right, one down. We'll go ahead and do this one and that one. Anyway, I think you get the idea. I should have got my tripod out, but I try to keep these videos as quick as possible so that I'm not wasting your time. All right, I went ahead and made a bit of a mess with this one. This stuff is pretty gooey. Sometimes I'll have to sit there for a minute or two and press it into place where I want it a few times. Or you can put some tape over it. That might work. And then just peel the tape off later. All right, one more door to go. Again, there's your channel. There's your staples, and you can see it holds its shape when I squeeze those metal staples together. Just a lot better clamp on this thin piece of metal that it's got to hang on to. Then you just go through, push it back on up. If your corner is loose, if you see this corner loose after you've tightened this, it's been pulled down. You just need to stretch and pull, maybe take it all off, pull it up a little bit, and get it in the corner first, and then work your way from there. All right, you guys, hit that thumbs up and subscribe if this helped you out. I appreciate you. Have a good day.